Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Once again, my name is Gapsaresarg, and today I'm going to make a video related with the program named Sketchbook Pro, which is a program completely free, and I will talk about the tool of layers and how to use them. I want to apologize in advance if my English is not that good because I don't practice it very often, so I apologize for that, but I will also make a version in Spanish about this tutorial. So okay, let's start. If you don't have the window of layers, you go to window and then you go to layer edit and window. I'm not sure in English how it is, but it should be here, like around this part of the panel under pencil library. So you go to layer. Capa means layer. So okay, let's see how it works. It's simply easy. It's very easy, but you have to practice it to really understand it, because you will see this video, but until you do it on your own, you will not fully understand it. So first you go here and you go to this window. This first layer, which you cannot select, it's the background, and you can change the background of the sheet that you are using. For example, let's a light blue, like this, almost grayish blue, and you can only change the color in the background. Then the next layer here, I will rename it as layer 1 because the tutorial is in English. This is layer 1. Okay, so here I'm going to draw something like, okay, some spots here. So these spots, everything I do, even if I do this, or maybe I take out the ruler and then I make this, everything I do here is layer 1. Until I change this, everything is always layer 1. Now see what happens. If I select this eye in layer fondo, which is background, then the background will disappear and you will see these small squares, black and gray, which indicate that there is nothing. It's completely transparent. Now I will activate again, so now I can see layer fondo again, layer background. Now the first layer, layer 1, I can do the same. See, I can make it disappear like this. You have to practice this to fully understand it. You can also change the transparency of the layer here, as you see. Okay, and now here comes the fun part. I will add another layer with this plus sign, so I will add the layer, and then I will change the color just for it to be more clear, and it will be red. So I can start drawing here. I won't explain these other tools because this tutorial is just for the layers. Okay, so I will make this, and then this, and then this, and I will add here a smiley face and whatever. This is like a plant, red plant, red blood. No, blood would be more like this. And I can also change colors, but as you see here, layer 2 is selected. Okay, so I can draw whatever I want in whichever color I want, but I'm selecting layer 2. So now let's see, if I disappear layer 1, if you noticed, if you are paying attention to this video, you will have noticed that layer 1 just disappeared. Everything I did in layer 1 just disappeared. Now I will show layer 1 again. Now I will change to layer 1 and I will draw like in yellow. Okay, so I'm using yellow. Now if you are very like observant, if you look carefully, this yellow is under the purple of layer 2. Do you see that? I don't know if you can notice, but it's under the red here. This layer is under the red of layer 2, because if I remove layer 2, then you will see what happened. Now layer 2 appears, layer 1 disappears, layer 1 appears, layer 2 disappears, layer background disappears, layer 2 appears, layer background disappears. So layers are like the layers in a cake, or like the layers in a hamburger, or the layers of clothing, for example. Layers go always one on top of the other. So if I make another layer, here is layer 3, no, but you can move layers up and down with these arrows. Okay, you can select the layer. Now I am going to say that I don't like layer 2, so then I go to layer 3. I don't like layer 2, no, so I make it disappear, and now I will go to layer 3 and I will paint all over layer 3 like this, and then I will put layer 2. See, you can see that everything is a layer on top of the other. Now I will make layer 3 go to be the first layer after layer of background. Now you see, you can manage the order of the layers here, okay, by selecting them. So you will always paint in the layer that is selected. For example, imagine I want to keep painting blue, but I get confused and I select layer 2, and it would seem that I am still painting in layer 3, but then you will see okay, I don't want the blue anymore. Okay, so I disappear layer 3, but then I realized that I was really painting a part of the blue in layer 2, so here I am mixing layers. So you want to avoid doing that. Probably many times you will make this mistake. Don't worry, it happens very often to me, and that's a normal mistake, nothing to worry about. So this is how layers work, okay? They are always in order. The top layer is the one that is on top of everything. The bottom layer is the one that is underneath everything, and you can add all the layers you want, okay? You can have many layers. So, well, I hope this tutorial has been very useful to you. This is everything basic of layers. Everything about layers. You can delete layers doing this, like erasing layers. You select the center and you keep pushing, and then you go to erase layer like this, okay? And another important thing, for example, you can rename layers. You can merge layers. For example, I can make the same layers, or I can make this is to merge all the layers, and this is to merge just with the layer below. So now everything is just one layer. You can hide, you can block the layer, so that means that you can't do anything in there, and you can unblock. You can copy the layer, and you can add a new layer, okay? So it's very easy. Don't be afraid to try it. And well, that will be everything for the moment. Thank you for watching my video. Most of my videos are in Spanish, but if you like this tutorial, please comment. Maybe I can make some more tutorials in English. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for visiting. Please like my channel, subscribe, and share it. Thank you very much, and goodbye.